Switching between lines and arcs in SOLIDWORKS sketches is a common task, and I have a few tips to simplify the process. Typically, you'd select the line command, start sketching by clicking where you want the line to begin, and then clicking again where you want it to end. The line will continue from there, and you can use helper lines to make it collinear or set an angle if needed. After drawing a few lines, you may want to switch to an arc. You could hit Escape to exit the line tool, go to the tangent arc command, select the endpoint, and start drawing your arc. Now the arc tool will stay active as long as you keep clicking. To stop using it, simply hit Escape. You can easily switch between the line and arc tools by going to the ribbon bar, or use shortcuts like pressing the S key for the shortcut bar, or even use mouse gestures to quickly pick up any of these tools. But here's a quicker method to streamline this process. Let's clear the sketch by selecting everything and hitting Delete. I'll start by drawing a line again. Click once to begin. Now, instead of selecting the arc command, hover over the end of the line, and as you pull away, the software will automatically switch to the tangent arc tool. You can create arcs in any direction you want simply by returning to the line's endpoint, pulling away, and clicking. You can generate arcs in multiple directions, all while staying in the line tool. As soon as you finish the arc, it will switch back to the line tool seamlessly. To continue making tangent arcs, just hover back over the line, pull away, and keep drawing arcs. This trick allows you to toggle between lines and arcs without ever switching tools. Another way to switch to arcs while drawing lines is to hit A on your keyboard. So if I start drawing a line and hit A, it will automatically switch to an arc, and I can alternate back and forth. However, this works only if you don't have on-screen numeric input enabled. To adjust this, go to System Options, select the Sketch tab, and check if the Enable On-Screen Numeric Input on Entity Creation box is turned on. If it is, hitting A won't work because the software thinks you're trying to input a value. Disabling this option will allow you to switch between lines and arcs smoothly using the A key. That said, having on-screen input enabled can be helpful for quickly defining sketch dimensions while drawing. So if you prefer that workflow, you can toggle between these options depending on your preference.